Hi everybody, my name's Enzi, and in this video we're going to make magic bars. Well, you're probably wondering, what are magic bars? Magic bars is a dessert that is made with different layers of different ingredients. Okay, now let's see what those ingredients are. First we have condensed milk. Then we have 1 stick of butter. And any cookies that you could crush, we have graham crackers. And pecans or walnuts. Chocolate. And pretzels. Okay, now let's find out what tools we're gonna need. First we need a baking dish. Then we need a wooden spoon, a plastic bag, a rolling pin, a bowl, and a can opener. Now, the first step is to take your stick of butter and melt it. So let's start opening it. And we're going to put it in the pan. And now you have to put it on low heat. And now you just have to wait. The butter is melted. Come on, come and see it. Okay, now you have to turn it off. And we're going to put it in the bowl. And watch out, because the stove is still hot. The first layer of our magic bars is going to be made out of graham crackers and our melted butter. So, you are going to need 2 packages of graham crackers. Okay, once you have your graham crackers ready, you're going to take them out and put them in the plastic bag. 1 and 2. Now, this is a very important part. You have to seal the bag very well. And now comes the fun part, breaking the graham crackers with the rolling pin. Start breaking. We finished crushing the graham crackers. Now I have to put the graham crackers in the butter. Oops. Those were a lot of graham crackers. Okay. Now you have to mix it very well so it all turns into one. It's looking pretty good. And it smells really good. If you could smell it, you would say that it smells really good. Okay, now we're gonna do the first layer of our magic bar. Okay, so first we're gonna have to put our graham cracker with butter mix in here. There we go. Ooh. Got my finger. still a little left. You can scoop it out. Okay, but this is a very special step. You have to press it down. Press, 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 press. Because we still have a couple more layers. So just press it down as hard as you can. Okay, now we have to do some more smashing. We need to take the pecans, put them inside our bag. So you don't want to put the whole bag, you just want to put it in like half a bag. Okay, I already have my pecans in my bag with my bag sealed. Now we have to do some more smashing. Okay, so you don't want your pecans to be powder, you just want them to be broken. Okay, now that our pecans are smashed, we have to put them over our graham cracker mix. So remember, you have to try to put them everywhere. Whoops. Okay. So now, if you want to, you could spread them a little bit so they are everywhere. And just spread them out a little bit. Okay. Now it's time for the chocolate chip layer. So you just have to open your bag and put chocolate chips everywhere. Just put them everywhere. Okay, and you need to make sure that they're all spread out, that they're everywhere, just like that. And if you have some extras, take a chocolate chip or two, and you could even give some to your siblings. Delicious. Okay, now it's time for our pretzel layer. Our pretzel layer is not going to be that complicated because you just take some pretzels, break them, and just put them everywhere. And you could even taste a little bit of it. And don't forget about your siblings. You just have to keep on breaking them. And since I like salty, then I really like my pretzels in my magic bars. And you can even try breaking them a couple at a time so it goes quicker. Let's keep on going.
Now we're going to preheat the oven to 325. For you guys, you're going to do it to 160. Let's go. Now we got it. Now let's start it.
This is our last step to make our magic bars. We have to open the condensed milk. Oh my gosh. It's coming out. I know. Okay. Now we just have to spread it out a little bit. Looks really good. And if you have to, you can scoop some out.
Now let's put the magic bars in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes.
It's a good idea to let your parents put the magic bars in the oven. We'll put the timer for 25 minutes and then we'll check how our magic bars are doing. Okay, it's time to get our magic bars out of the oven. The timer is going off. I have a towel here on our countertop because the dish is hot. So I'm gonna take my protectors here. Woo. Again, if you make this recipe, let your mom and dad take it out. Now this has got to cool for probably a half an hour. Let me shut off the timer, hold on. And let me shut off the oven too. You gotta let this cool for a while. If you look at the sides, you see it's gotten all cooked and you'll have that nice salty sweet taste. I'm gonna let this cool for about a half an hour and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge and then I'm going to cut it into pieces. So we'll see you in a little bit when our magic bars have cooled. See you soon.
What is that noise? Is the magic bar ready? I'm looking forward to a magic bar. Oh, wow. Let me cut into it. Ready? This is how you cut into it. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's a little sticky. Let's get a little plate. Okay, maybe I'll get a serving spoon. Or, well, let's just try to get this out. All right. Now, let's try. No. Delicious. It'd be better with a cold glass of milk. Enjoy.
And this is the moment we've all been waiting for, to try. Oh my gosh, it's delicious.